Hi everyone, so I bought a Fuji Mini Mite 4 Platinum. I bought it for my car painting project behind. You can see another video of the time lapse or what went wrong. And my main issue with the project was actually this unit. So this unit failed at the absolute worst time. And when I say it failed, I mean it lost power, I couldn't spray, it was project doomed right there. There's nothing I could have done. Checked the air filters were clean, they were blown out. Wasn't the issue, it still wouldn't make power. After about 30 seconds the unit would shut off, you'd see sparks flying. And since there was aerosolized paint that's explosive, you don't want that. So I did capture the video on my GoPro of my spraying that I will show, not in its entirety, but from where the problem started to what happened, what steps I took. Yeah, so Fuji, I reached out to Fuji, amazing customer service. They sent them the pictures, sent them the receipt, and within the next day it was shipped. A brand new replacement unit was shipped out. They told me to dispose of this one, but I might crack it open to see what exactly went wrong with it. It is currently not usable, so you can't even spray out of it. Nothing I can figure out how to make it work. The cause of failure was just overspray contamination that got into the unit and killed it. What I was spraying its Auto Body Master clear coat. I was spraying it with a 0.1 tip. The unit was about 10-15 feet away from where I was spraying. It was a slow activator, so it was pretty hazy out, that you'll see in the video. 0.1 tip, yeah, it worked just fine for the sealer coats, the primers, the 3 coats of base, 1 coat of clear, and on the second coat it croaked. So I was disappointed, but now that I have a new one, it halfway makes up for it. The paint that's ruined is about $600 worth for the base and the clear. So I don't know if I'm going to use the unit or if I'm just going to sell it brand new because, well, I can't use it. The car is painted. It's not painted well. It's going to need to get stripped, sanded, repainted again, and I'm not completely sure if I can trust the unit. If it failed once, I don't know, it could fail again. But yeah, that's just this was my first time using it. I've got probably 3 hours on the unit of runtime when it failed. Again, filters cleaned out. It was staying away from where it should have and ran into an issue. So, but I've seen nothing but good reviews. Maybe I'm the only bad review that this stuff broke to, but yeah, stick around for the video that's after this of when I was spraying to when it died. But yeah, hope you guys have a great day and keep an eye out for your turbine. You don't want this thing to blow up. It's about $1,000 and expensive if something happens to it.